The best solution for achieving a wheel flush fitment depends on various factors, including the specific vehicle and design aesthetic. We can get a wheel flush stance by installing wheel spacers, aftermarket wheels, custom fender flares, or suspension adjustment. The most cost-effective and the most common method is to install wheel spacers. Wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket part. The high-quality wheel spacers can help the vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheels to be moved outward to a specific position, usually flush with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The lines of the vehicle will be fuller, giving the vehicle an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Using wheel spacers allow you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame, wheel hub assembly, or other suspension component, improving traction and handling even more. If you're looking to upgrade the wheels with good wheel spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS manufactures a huge range of wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest quality and are full of more than 66 SGS and TV test reports. BONOSS also offers a choice of wheel spacer size, from 15mm to 50mm. BONOSS wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent thickness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the cheap spacers that use low-quality material are not strong enough and will default and endanger driver safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. In addition, BONOSS forged FT cooling wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distribute in pedal shape. These screws allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. So, the best solution for wheel flush fitment is to install high-quality wheel spacers.